Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to briefly explain the basic building blocks of Power BI. They are visualization, data sets, reports, dashboards, and tiles. So let me start with visualization. Visualization basically represents the data which could be in a form of chart or color-coded map. So when you talk about visualization, you're basically referring to the visual representation of the data. You can create different types of visualization from the data that you have connected to in Power BI. So looking at this Power BI service here, we can see a visual representation here of some data. This is a bar chart, and then we've got a map here, and then we've got some data here. So this screen, this area here, all this information here, you can regard them as visualization. Visualization can be simple. You can also make it complex. The main goal of a visual is to present data in a way that provides context and insights, both of which would probably be difficult to discern from a raw table of numbers or text. The next built-in block I want to explain is data sets. A data set is basically a collection of data that provides Power BI users the ability to create visualizations. So without the data set, there will be no visualization. So the visualization is actually created from the data set. So if we take a look inside this Power BI service here, you can see here under data set, if I click on this data set, which says my first report, we can see the data set. So this is my data set that contains all these fields. So it's from these fields that I was able to generate visualization to create the report inside my Power BI service. Data sets can be a combination of many different sources which can filter and combine to provide a unique collection of data or data set for Power BI to use. So you can get data from different sources, for example, from database tables, database fields, from website. So it doesn't matter, you can pull data from anywhere and then make them available into Power BI. Filtering data before bringing it into Power BI allows you to focus on the data that really matters to you. Power BI has a multitude of data connectors that allows you to connect to different data sources. The next Power BI building block is reports. In Power BI, a report is a collection of visualizations that appear together on one or more pages. A report in Power BI is basically a collection of items that are related to each other. So looking on the screen here, this is a report that was created from visualization of the data set. Reports let you create many visualizations on multiple pages if necessary, and let you arrange those visualizations in whatever way that is best for you. So you can either create it on one page or you can spread it across multiple pages. The next Power BI building block are dashboards. When you're ready to share a single page from a report or a collection of visualization, you create a dashboard. Much like the dashboard in a car, a Power BI dashboard is a collection of visuals from a single page that you can share with others. Often, it can also be a collection of selected groups of visuals that provides a quick insight into the data or story that you're trying to present. If we take a look inside my Power BI service here, you can see I've got a section for dashboard, and inside there I've got one dashboard here. So this is my dashboard, which has some visuals. The next Power BI building block I want to mention is called tiles. In Power BI, a tile is basically a single visualization on a report or a dashboard. For example, here, this bar chart is regarded as a tile. Here also, this map can be regarded as a tile. When you are creating a report or a dashboard in Power BI, you can move or arrange the tiles the way you want. So these tiles you see here, they're all movable, and you can also resize them and move them around. In this video, I explained some of the basic building blocks of Power BI. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.